Hello guys, today we are looking at Bitcoin. It's October 1st. Now some interesting things happened yesterday. Like the last video we talked about having a short, it did go down, but again it created the line of support at 10,678. And you had sell pressure go out to the end of the day trying to push it down. But what's interesting, which I didn't know, stocks, so I'll just summarize what happened. So usually stocks, they have their quarterly reports like every quarter, which is like every 3 months. So it's you will get 4 earnings reports in a year. Bitcoin doesn't have earning reports, but I don't know how to pull it up on the 3 month. Pull up 3 month chart on here. Yeah, I have no idea. It won't let me do it. Mess. Month. Oh, maybe. Okay, we'll do that. Add. We'll do 3 months. Okay, so I'm gonna hide my lines. Now look what happened. We're gonna go to the 3 month chart. This is the 3 month chart of Bitcoin on Coinbase. We're gonna zoom in. So we go to the top right there. You can barely see it, but we closed above the last highs. Now, according to a lot of people, that is a very bullish sign. And so if this was an earnings report, so this was the start of the year. That's the start of the year. We dumped. So we're going in an uptrend. We haven't had a correction yet. So there is still a realm of possibility of a 9K. Not saying, but it's likely not going to happen. It looks like we could possibly go as low as that 10,100, 2,250. That's what I'm seeing right now, according to this, if these people are right. But we also created, there's the low. We didn't create a lower low. But this is usually in Bitcoin's history, it never creates a lower low. But again, we closed above the high, so technically if we don't count this, we count that as an impulse, then we go down, we actually created a higher high. Now what does that mean? Well, that means two things. That means Bitcoin's having positivity. There's bullish momentum pushing up the price. So in reality, a 12 to 13K by the end of the year, it is possible. That is, again, the prime target. Even though I always say I'm going to want to short it and all that, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go back to the hourly. Let's see, I messed up my graphics. Okay. Get this all set up. Put on my lines. So it's interesting. Like we're saying, we gained support right there. And then right when we closed, we were about right there. Yeah, we were like right here at $70, and then we started bumping. Now, what's also interesting, we talked about the stock market and oil crashes. Well, oil is down 5%. It is crashing right now. It created a lower low right there on the time frame of the start of October. But again, that's pretty much normal in my opinion, just because when it gets close to winter time, people aren't traveling as much, they're staying indoors. Unlike summer, people are traveling, spending money on gas. So I'm not too worried about oil right there, but oil is dropping. Just point that out there. We talked about if oil crashes, it would crash the whole market. But again, 5% after coming off of how much of a gain that was. That was a 3%. Now we're 5% down. I don't think it's that bad right now. I'll be more worried if we get to that $33 range. That's where you should be worried about Bitcoin. Now, but again, so right now we broke out. We're trying to test this breakout of 10,931. Now, if we do break that, our next target, I think I have it up here. Oh no, it would be probably testing that high, but I think we'll blow through that, honestly. We'll go to 11,272. Now, why that level? That is the support we had when we were up here. So it is quite, well, a significant part. And again, I think we'll get stopped out at 11,542 before we go back and test that 11,272, which is pretty interesting. Now we're going to check Fury and Greed Dex, give it a refresh. People are fearful, so usually that means it's the perfect time to buy Bitcoin. Again, like I said, it was going to be a slow move to 11K. We are having a slow move. There is buy volume coming in, which this was yesterday. We hit a 150 Bitcoin buy. That was pretty significant. So right now, I'm not leverage trading right now. I'm just watching because right now it's pretty risky, in my opinion. Even if I want to say, well, maybe we're going long. Maybe we're going to the moon now. But again, the 5-minute chart of Bitcoin shows that there's, again, not a lot of support or resistance to the downside. So I'm still cautious. But again, I think I hold a good significant amount of Bitcoin. Just because maybe, which I was going to make another video. I guess I can show it in this video. So basically Reddit released moon tokens, which you can put on. You have to download MetaMask to exchange it for actual money. So I sold approximately 60,000 moon tokens, which I don't know if I can show it. Oh wait, yeah, I can show it. Okay. There's XDAI. No, it would be on the Rinkeby network. It doesn't show it. Okay, whatever. So pretty much Reddit released a token that allows you to send money to, not send money, but it's like a reward program. But I don't know like all the implications, what they plan for in the future. So pretty much you download MetaMask, which is an Ethereum wallet. You also need Rinkeby, which Rinkeby, to get, this is, oh, well alert. Okay, Rinkeby is a network, pretty much. I don't know how to describe it all for ETH. Pretty much this is testnet ETH. It's not real. I can't exchange it for money, which if I could, that'd be amazing. But they have a faucet, so pretty much you have to use their faucet for Rinkeby, which all you have to do is just tweet out your Ethereum wallet address and then copy the link to the tweet on the faucet, and they'll give you the ETH, the exchange, your moon, which your X moon, you'll log in on Reddit, go to your vault, click the little send button, and send it to your Ethereum address. Now, I think it'll be buy. Yeah, you'll be directly deposit ETH. You'll view your account and deposit your ETH to your Ethereum wallet, which you could connect it to MetaMask, which I have mine connected to MetaMask. And so it would end up on the Rinkeby network. Now, what you also need, besides some Ethereum, I only have $10 worth of Ethereum. You need about, I would say, buy about $5 of DAI. That's all you really need. Send DAI to your Ethereum, or to your DAI wallet, which I guess is on Ethereum. You'll send it there, and then you'll go to, which one is it? Yeah, this one right here. So you would click exchange, and then you'll click exchange DAI to XDAI. That's what we need. Now this will cost you about probably 7 cents, not that bad. Then you also need to go to this. No, pretty much my wallet doesn't have any, which I don't know. You can. So pretty much you'll have your moon right there. You'll click exchange, convert it. You'll click this plus arrow. No, you'll click here, do moon, and then it will transfer the X moon. Then you type in how much moon you have in your moon wallet, which should have already been sent. So I don't have any right now because I already sold it. So after that, you'll have X moon, and then you'll also have your X DAI. Now you'll go to HoneySwap. Now I won't show it, but you'll go to X moon. Then you'll go to X DAI, and then you'll convert all of it. Click max, and they'll convert to X DAI. After that, you'll go back to your burner wallet, transfer X DAI to DAI. So pretty much X DAI is worth a range. Usually it's supposed to be pegged to a dollar, but sometimes it goes a little over, maybe a little under, depending on the volatility of Bitcoin. And after that, you'll get your DAI, then you can sell it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or just cash it out. Now, I wonder if I should. Not surprised. Let me see if you all. Yeah, see right there, I sold 52,000, and then I sold another 4,000. No, 6,000. No, I only did 52,000 and six. No, pretty sure it's 5,000. I don't know. I sold a lot. So pretty much I bought Bitcoin with it. So I wouldn't say it's free money, just because maybe I don't know the actual value of Moon tokens besides being a Reddit currency. But again, I could be really dumb, and maybe in the future it screws me over. But again, I sold mine for Bitcoin. So I do have enough Bitcoin now for like a bull run. So I'm not really leveraged anymore because my goal was to become like that 1%, which let's go show you how much. Oh, there we go. We'll load it up. This is the article. How much Bitcoin you need to be part of the 1%. Now he goes down here. He says you need about 0.28 Bitcoin. Now these go after the detail that in 2030 the average holder is approximately going to only have 0.01 Bitcoin, which that would be worth a couple of $1,000s in my opinion. But that 0.01 Bitcoin, that's going to be about right now just under $100. No, it's just above like $100. Yeah. So that's just pretty much the holder. So if you own 0.28 Bitcoin, that's pretty useful. So that's why I have that, and I'm not really leverage trading anymore. I'm just watching Bitcoin, I guess. And my best way to accumulate Bitcoin, you can do it differently. It all depends on what you can afford. Is that I do $5 a day. So $5 a day at like 7:30 a.m. Coinbase withdraws $5 on my bank, and I get $5 Bitcoin. But then on every week, I do $25 on paydays, but payday is every 2 weeks. But Coinbase doesn't do a two week basis, so I half it, so $25 every week. So you're getting I'm getting about $50 worth of Bitcoin a week, which right now may not seem a lot. Again, the grand scheme of things, that if you believe in Bitcoin, it will show its value in the future. So that's pretty much it. Right now, it has to break above 10,931. It has started getting support at 10,840. We did break above these downtrends, so we broke above that, which this was after the 3-month period, so that was a breakout point. Now from here it was a downtrend, but we suddenly broke out. Again, if it's going to hold, it would hold. But go back to the stock market. Stock market is holding its position. It went up, which was ironic. I was calling for like a 200 plus point move, and it just gone up. It's crazy. I don't know why it's going up, because from what I heard, the stimulus check stuff. Maybe they talk about news. It says it's likely, but I think it failed. They couldn't come with an agreement. So I really don't know why it's going up right now, why the stock market, why Bitcoin's going up. Now, could we have a correction? Maybe. It is possible. But again, I'm fine. I have enough Bitcoin. I might leverage trade every once in a while, but right now once you have a significant amount of Bitcoin that you believe in, then you don't really want to leverage trade. You're just watching the price, and right now price momentum is up. So again, 11,272 could be in the future really soon, and it looks like 9K might be out of the picture. I'm going to delete these lines because I think as low as we can go as of now would be in this range right here, but also 10,389 will be support. I will leave that down there because if we do break, it will break pretty hard, and we will probably feel the CME gap. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.